Hello everyone, so welcome to my new video, and in this video we're going to talk about how can we stage our front-end components. In our previous three videos, we have discussed about how can we stage our edited components like elements, and I have shown you, explained some points our way so that you can stage your editor elements for your custom blocks. But the most important part is to stage your front-end component or elements like this. So there are two ways to stage your front-end elements. First one is the best, not best, but it is also easiest way. I want to mention that our inline CSS. So the easiest way is to stage our front-end elements using inline CSS. So today we'll talk about it, and in this next video we will discuss about how can we using our inline CSS in our front end, and how can we make a responsive elementary styles for your front end element. So first is the easiest way, and that is our inline styling. So you can see that we have created a color picker, this color options for our element, and we have applied this color to our h2 text, and we have styled this using our style component in our last video. So if you want to use the same color for our front end, we have to go to our sub.js, and we have to now call this the attributes like this color. That means we have the access to this color attributes, and to style this h2 text we have to pass a style property, inline style property like this one, and inside this inline property we can call this the color like this color. And since we are using the same name for our property and value, we can pick only one, so that is this. And if I go back to my terminal and start my npm start, and if I refresh this one like this, and you can see it is not broken because we have changed the structure. So try to item block recovery. I will discuss about why this is happening when we will discuss about the blocks validations. Then we'll explain all these informations. So I'm going to update and refresh. Now there is no error, and if I go back to my front end and try to refresh to see the result, I can see our color is changed. And even if we update our color, like from here, make it a bit red color like this, and update to see the result, you can see our color is changed. And if we go to inspect, and you can see this is our styles and this is our inline styling. But this inline styling is not a good practice at all, because in some cases when we're going to use some conditional stylings, even when we're going to use some responsive styling, then this inline style is not a proper way. And even inline styling can satisfy all of these requirements like conditional stylings, and even in case of the responsive stylings, you can do it using the inline CSS. And in case of a large size of CSS, like if you have an element which includes hundreds of lines of styling, then if you pass all of this styling inside your inline CSS, then it will look like so ugly. So I think that is we should have a better way to stage our front-end elements, and in the next video I will discuss about how can we avoid this inline styling, and we can style this using a different way, and that will be more impressive and it will be smart. So I think you have understood this matter. So wait for the next video, and next video will be so super excited. Thank you.